Founded vintrace in 2006. The three of us, Jamie, Zane and myself, we worked together at a software company. We're looking for an idea, something to build, a cloud-based system, and some of Jamie's mates suggested we look at the wine industry. A lot of obsolete, outdated systems are on the market, and that might be a great opportunity for us. And after many sessions at the local pub, over some butcher's paper and some beers and some conversations with some of Jamie's friends, the winemakers that I mentioned, we came up with the idea of vintrace.
We've got sites all through Australia, New Zealand, USA, Canada would be our biggest markets. We've got 3 sites in Israel, 1 in China. We do Slovenia as well, and we've just had a site go live recently in India as well. So a lot of sleepless nights, staying up, supporting. Such time zones don't seem to matter for us. We recently opened an office in California where we've now got some resources there to help with the time zone trouble for support and sales, and implementation happening over in the US as well.
The best thing for me has been the kind of fruit receival console. So it's very easy just to put the fruit in. It's a very simple process to kind of get the weights and everything in, and then to divide it up to the different tanks, because we do a lot of small ferments where we kind of split a lot of fruit up into different treatments, and it's been very easy for me to document that and to add in pictures where necessary and comments and notes and things. So it's been very simple so far.
I like to meet face to face, talk to people about what it is they're having troubles with, what it is we can help them with. If it's helping with their compliance, if it's helping with their management, if they're having troubles with their dry goods and HACCP compliance in their finished goods warehousing, if they want to barcode their barrels because their barrel sheds are getting out of control. So I like to go out on site, see what's going on, and tell them where it is that I believe we can help them.
Quick and easy to enter anything, so you're sort of just in and out and back to work fairly quickly. It's completely searchable, which is great. So you can look back at from any angle and look at, you can search for barrels and how many times they've been used, or search for batches of wine or a grower or anything, and everything sort of links together nicely, and so you can see all very quickly find any information you're after.
Our platform and our product is going to go in the direction that, similar direction that we've followed so far, and that's listening to our customers and putting more things into the software to make it more useful for them, and ultimately more customers down the track. Our goal is to make better software, actually make software help them spend less time at their desk and more time out making wine, which is what they want to do.
We'd been examining across our whole business what was working 5 years ago and what wasn't working now. And so we identified a number of elements that we felt we could probably refine or review. And so a key part of that was what we were doing in the cellar, and then to see that from this platform we were able to plug into, mainly the accounting side, but I keep hearing about other elements from our accountants that could apply to certain scenarios going forward. So I guess having the confidence both from the seller point of view but also from an accounting point of view, and the legal requirements for what we're doing from a wine point of view, they all were very strong elements that gave us the confidence to get on board.
So we've got some exciting things coming up in the resource planning around tank space, and managing your ferments and your bottling diaries as well.
We've built a really great team. We've now got winemakers that work for us on staff in the support department, so they really understand the needs of our customers firsthand. We've also got staff that have run wineries in the past, former general managers, so they all help together to provide the highest possible level of service we can.